Take me to the top. Yeah, I gotta live my life like I've only got one try. Said I let
For family and friends who hearted me, I present to you our newly officially blessed wedded husband and wife, Paul and Angel. So God bless you, Paul and Angel.
2, 3. And I'm sipping on ice cold water in the morning. And I'm living my life with you here by my side. You can't take my happiness away from me. Around the world, you know the little things like ice cold water in the morning. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh. I know everything takes time. Waiting as the days go by. Cut myself a lemon slice. I need a piece of that goodbye.
Reps, andito na tayo, wala nang atrasan to. Swerte ko na. Ay, swerte ka pala. Swerte ka pala sa akin. See you later.
And I'm sipping on ice cold water in the morning. And I'm living my life with you by my side. You can't take my happiness away from me. Around the world, you know the little things like ice cold water in the morning. You can't take my happiness away from me. Around the world, you know the little things like ice cold water in the morning. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh.
Mebs, it's been 8 years simula nagkakilala tayo. And a lot of times, muntik na tayo maghiwalay. And thank you for staying through ups and downs. Thank you for believing in me na makakaya ko ulit bumawi sa buhay. And then, eto na tayo.
My dearest Paul, thank you for choosing me. It has always been my dream to walk down the aisle with you. 8 years in the making. I was so immature when we got into this relationship and hindi ka sumuko.
Sabi ko baka ito na yung time para sinisipa na ako ng Diyos to make things right. Na ito, magpakasal na ako. Wala naman na akong kailangang iba pa eh.
Yun, ito kami. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, 8 years. Maraming pinagdaanan, pero nauwi pa rin kami dito. Masaya naman ako. Tapos binigyan pa kami ni Lord ng 3 anak.
Lagi lang naman ako sa kanila na suporta kung anong kailangan nila. Minsan nagagalit lang ako. Siyempre, natural yun. Pero kahit naman magalit ako at the end of the day, tutulong naman ako sa kanila, magbibigay lang ako sa kanila kung anong meron, kung anong kailangan. So, yun lang. Hindi naman ako totally nawala. Matagal naman na ako. Andito lang naman ako eh. Yun lang.
Do you, Angel, take Paul to be your lawful wedded husband, to live together in matrimony, to love her, comfort her, honor and keep her, in sickness and in health, in sorrow or in joy, from this day forward as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do. Thank you for staying, for teaching, understanding, and for your never-ending patience. Most especially for accepting me and loving me even on the days when I was completely unlovable.
Come, let's find a place where we can get away. Just
I thank God He gave us kids para alagaan habang buhay. And now, finally, we made it. Eto na tayo. Standing in front of everyone, saying I do with each other. Sa wakas, magagamit ko na din totoo yung lagi kong sinasabi ng bata ako na let's take this love to heaven. That's it. I love you.
the story's just begun. The story's just begun. There's only chapter one. The best is yet to come. The story's just begun. Just begun.
Thank you so much dahil kahit anong mangyari hindi mo ko iniiwan. Kahit anong pagkakamali na ginagawa ko, nandiyan ka lagi. Ayun. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagmamahal at paggabay.
Thank you din, Nak.
Just one look.
So do you, Paul, take Angel to be your lawful wedded wife, to live together in matrimony, to love her, to comfort her, honor and keep her, in sickness and in health, in sorrow or in joy, from this day forward as long as you both shall live?
Yes po, I do.
The story's just begun. The story's just begun. There's only chapter one. The best is yet to come. The story's just begun.
Paul and Angel, I am happy na kayo ay makita na talagang sigurado na sa pagpapakasal. So you want the blessing of the Lord.
I know it won't be easy. There will be sunny and rainy days. But remember that you will always have me holding your hand no matter what the weather is. Ikaw at ako, habang buhay. Lagi mong tatandaan, araw-araw kitang pipiliin. Mahal kita, Bebs.
The story's just begun.